On February 14, 2018, the all-new BMW X4 has been revealed to the public. So, let's take the opportunity to compare the new model with its predecessor. This is the first-generation model. And on the right, you see the all-new BMW X4, the second-generation model, sporting the new color flamenco red. The obvious development here is the bigger kidney grille with active airstream, which not only regulates the flow of cooling air, but also optimizes fuel consumption. Also, the new adaptive LED headlights present a visible distinction between first and second generation, as well as the redesigned air intakes with rectangular fog lights. Looking at the side, the evolution towards an even sportier appearance becomes clear. The coupe shape has been enhanced through a flatter roofline and a muscular rear shoulder above the wheel arches, giving the all-new BMW X4 a distinctive sporty design. This is all the more true when you compare the first generation's rear design with the profoundly reworked design of the new model. It boasts a sportingly flat appearance that is supported by the wide rear window, while the pulled-in greenhouse puts an emphasis on the wide muscular rear flank, lending the car a strong stance. The slender adaptive LED rear lights with their three-dimensional surface design underline the width of the vehicle. Moving the license plate from the tailgate to the bumper also contributes to its dynamic presence. Rounding out the enhanced dynamic appearance are the new twin tailpipes left and right. The top-of-the-range drivetrain for the all-new BMW X4 is the established 3-liter petrol engine with 360 horsepower, which has been optimized for slightly increased torque. Naturally, the interior offers a number of attractive changes as well, the inviting ambient lights package to begin with. High-quality materials and workmanship, as well as the reworked contours of the instrument panel and the Sensitech dashboard, creates a new interior experience for the passengers. The instrument panel boasts an optional high-resolution 12-inch display, while the new control display has been increased to 10 inches, it's freestanding and can be operated through touch, gesture, voice, and of course the iDrive controller. The new sport seats with contrast stitching make for a cocooned seating experience. Also, knee pads have been added to keep the driver in place while driving through corners. A further addition is the wireless charging pad for appropriate smartphones and the new Wi-Fi hotspot for the passengers. And last but not least, there's the large optional panorama glass roof that reaches over the rear passenger's area, making the passenger cabin appear brighter and more spacious. These are just a few of a lot more exciting changes. If you want to know more about the all-new BMW X4, go to bmw.com/X4.